Okay, so for question 7 on the test 1 part 2, we're asked to find the magnitude of the velocity at time 15 of an object that is fired in a projectile motion. So first we're given some initial conditions. We're given the value of Vx and we're given the value of Vy. So now, in order to find the magnitude of the velocity, which is here, Vx squared plus Vy squared, first we need to find the values of Vx and Vy. So we know Vx. Vx is 30. But now we need to find Vy. So Vy, the equation for Vy is 100 minus 10t. Now we know what t we're looking for. The t we're looking for is 15. So we just plug in 15. And when we solve this, we're going to see that our Vy is negative 50. So now that we know our Vx value and our Vy value, we can go ahead and plug that in to our magnitude of the velocity equation. So we're going to have 30 squared plus negative 50 squared. Now, once we solve this, we're going to get 900 plus 2,500. And when we add these two numbers, we're going to get the square root of 3,400. And when we take the square root of 3,400, we're going to get that the magnitude of the velocity is approximately 58 meters per second. This means that the answer for this question would be A, 56 meters per second, because we were looking for the closest value.